doing now?
I'm going to be gluing this. What did we? I made a marble run out of different parts of recycled things. And so this is a water bottle. This is a wooden track. It's a paper towel roll. That's paper. And then it goes down to here. And then this is cardboard put together as a box with a little string holding it. So when the marble goes in, it'll fall and then it'll turn the box to hit that and then go into there.